What's good, everybody? It's BCC the Villain back with another unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. Before I even get into it, I want to make things clear. I am a Lakers fan. I'm a big Kobe fan. So whatever you're about to see, right after I make this cut, you feel me? I'll explain later. Just let me explain. All right, let's get into it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, so as you can see here, it's the new Nike jersey. It's the Golden State Warriors, the Bay jersey. Now, once again, I'm a Lakers fan, but I live in the Bay, so you feel me? I gotta rep where I stay. Plus, you feel me? These jerseys was fire. I had to get me one, but whew, reason why it's number 12. I don't think anybody on the roster is number 12, but the reason it was number 12 is because it got my name on it. So you feel me? I wanted to get something personalized. I don't want to buy anything off like any of the players. I just wanted to make it mine so it can like be more personal. But damn, this is just oh, this is fire, bro. This is fire. What? All right, so as you can see, it's a yellow jersey. It got blue trimming. It got red details. The Bay right across the chest with the it's like a Chinese dragon. It's Chinese inspired. It's like Chinese heritage. So and then you got the Rakuten, whatever it is. Nike tag, dry fit, whatever it is. Men's extra large. And then they got the Nike Connect. So, I'm gonna try this actually. Well, guys, it looks like I can't use the Nike Connect because it's only for iPhone 7s and up, and all I have is 6S. So, I guess that's the end of the video. You know, Golden State Warriors, the Bay Chinese Heritage Edition, number 12. Got my name on the back, and I will see y'all on the next one.